Looking to upgrade your Toyota's speakers without the hassle? The speaker connector for select Toyota vehicles offers a seamless solution. It connects aftermarket speakers directly to your factory speaker harness, making installation quick and straightforward, no cutting or splicing required. What makes this connector stand out is its perfect match to the Toyota wiring pigtail. It fits snugly into your car's existing plug, ensuring a secure and reliable connection every time. This eliminates the guesswork and risk of improper wiring, so your new speakers perform exactly as they should. One user shared how this connector made upgrading the speakers in their 2002 Toyota Camry incredibly easy. The pigtail fit perfectly, and the size matched female connectors guaranteed a hassle-free installation. It saved time and frustration, turning what could be a complicated job into a simple plug-and-play task. Another customer praised the product for their 2020 WRX upgrade. They highlighted how the adapter allowed a quick swap of door speakers without any wire splicing. In fact, removing the door panel took longer than swapping the speakers themselves. This kind of efficiency makes the connector a smart choice for anyone wanting a clean, professional upgrade. If you're considering a speaker upgrade for your Toyota, this connector is worth a look. It delivers what you need: a perfect fit, easy installation, and peace of mind that your wiring is safe and sound. No more cutting wires or worrying about compatibility issues. Try it when you're ready to transform your car's audio experience without the usual headaches. This simple accessory can save you time, protect your vehicle's wiring, and get your new speakers up and running smoothly. It's a small investment with big benefits for your sound system. Don't let complicated wiring hold you back from better sound. The speaker connector for select Toyota vehicles makes upgrading straightforward and reliable. If that's you, someone who values ease and quality, this adapter is the solution you've been waiting for.